It's your girl Jen with Totally Zen, and today I'm going to do a mini review of the canvases so far for Italia Diamante creations on canvas. I've completed 2 of them out of 12, and I'm going to be doing some more. I'm going to try to do reviews for every 2 to 3 canvases. That way, the review's not super long, and you can see more detail of the canvases as we go. So, as a reminder, these are square canvases with resin drills, poured glue, and the canvases do not have the white borders. They have the extended borders. So your canvas actually goes all the way around the outside of it. They are not small canvases, but they are not large. They're considered a small to medium size, which are fantastic for getting breaks between those larger canvases that you have. This is the spring canvas, the spring Easter canvas. So there's a lot more of the springish or Easter type stuff that you would find in those types of canvases. So the first one that I'm going to show you is the Sunflower Girl. And as you can see, the diamonds are super sparkly, super shiny. They are fantastic. They were easy to work with. I did have some trash drills for each canvas, and we'll go over those in a minute. But as you can see, they are super fantastic. They laid on the canvas super well. The stick was amazing. There are fairy dust drills, so you can see right here, there's some fairy dust, and parts of her arms, this yellowish orange color. And then in her face, you can see the fairy dust here, and then in her hair and her eyes. So the canvas turned out so super cute, and I absolutely loved it. And then we'll go over the purple flower. This was the same thing. Everything lined up so well. The canvas turned out so amazing and beautiful. Look at all of that shine. There are also, every single kit has fairy dust. There's usually 2. And as you can see, it's this color right here, this purple color, or blue, sorry. And then the purple is up here. So they lined up really well. And as you can see, look at that shine. So sparkly, so pretty. Absolutely love it. All right, so we'll talk about the trash drills. So for the flower one, this is what I had left. Well, this is what I had for my trash. And as you see, it's not too terribly bad. I have had much worse, and lots of other canvases. So not horrible. And usually we'll zoom in here, and I don't know if my light will catch it, but basically with the trash drills, you can see there's some holes, there's some extra little notches on the side, and then just all in general, some trash that's inside the drills, with the drills, I should say. But overall, not too bad. This was for the whole canvas, what I had left. And then for the Sunflower Girl, this was all the trash that I had, which, as you can see, was not very much. So each kit's probably going to have its own set of trash drills if there are any, but you know, some of them are going to be a little bit worse off than the other. But as you can see, they have like little holes in them, but you know, it, like I said, it's very minimal. And we will go over what I had left in drills. I did not run out of any drills for either one of these kits. I didn't even come close to running out. So you do get plenty of extras. So for those trash drills that you have to pull out, they do come with plenty more. I will say for this purple kit, I had more trash drills in the bluish color, fairy dust, than anything. It seemed like there was a lot of holes in those, and then they just covered it up by putting some of the the glitter on top. I'm not really sure exactly what's on top, but I did have more of the trash drills in the fairy dust ones than I did with anything else. But even with that being said, there was still, you can see it, I still had plenty if I needed to pull out even more. Um, Same thing with the purple. I still had plenty left over. So those that were trashier, I still had plenty that I could pull out and use. So I didn't have to worry about pulling out those ones that had those holes and stuff in it because there was plenty more to replace it with. Did that part kind of stink? Yeah. Overall, I would give these canvases a 9 out of 10. And that's just solely because there was some holes in these. So it did make it hard because I would have to take them off the canvas to replace them and put new ones in because you didn't always see them when you were going through them. But overall, like this company is fantastic. She is a small company. Definitely highly recommend them. Go check her out. I will leave the links in my descriptions below. Like I said, I have more canvases to go. This is only 2 of the canvases out of 12. So this palette 12 and palette 9. And I will also link my unboxing video in this one as well. So you can go back and actually look at the canvases. You can see the opening, the preview, and see what all is comes in the canvases. They are $50 right now, which is less than $5 a canvas, and you get so much more with them as well. So I do highly recommend them. And like I said, like I have not had any issues at all placing these or working these. They have been fantastic. And like I said, I'm only rating it a 9 out of 10 for these two currently right now, just because of this one having so much of the trash drills, but it's not really like hurting the canvas. You know what I'm saying? Flower Girl was fantastic, barely had any trash with that one. So I am excited to do the rest of them. Please come back and see more of them. I'm doing some shorts as I complete them, and I will be doing 2 to 3 post reviews per canvas as we go. And then I will do one all together at the very end on how I felt about all 12 canvases. So do be sure to come back, hit that subscribe button, and come back for more. Bye.